Alright, so what they say we have a day what we call International Men's Day. So, because me wouldn't know, because I don't celebrate these days. I don't celebrate Easter, Christmas, no public holiday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, Valentine's Day, whichever day I don't celebrate, none of them. So I wouldn't really know. But what came to my attention the other day was, me say when I celebrate International Men's Day, and me look for some people, especially them WhatsApp status and them Instagram feed and them Twitter feed and them Twitter story and them TikTok and all over social media. And the man them want to use to represent Men's Day, it is very, very, very outrageous. It is a shame. Wanna put up police, wanna put up soldiers, wanna put up firefighters, wanna put up corporate men, businessmen like some CEO, some bank managers, some this, some that. And all me I look for is to say put up a skilled worker. Me I look for say put up a man with 2 buckets a swing power one site. Me I look for say put up a farmer a till the soil. Even a man in a tractor. Even a man with the thing over him face. I try with him welding plant. I try I well up one grill. On a grill what fi go up on a house. Me I look for say put up one mechanic. Or fix on a car while not drive. Me I look for see you put up one plumber or no freak out when you going on a house and a pipe a leak or this whole heap of sewer while running at the road. Identity. Not even a man from NWC me no so no put up. This society, me tell people every day, this society does not appreciate skilled workers. And I can go even further. The society not like engineers. Me tell you no every day. That's why under the social stratification, you have lawyers, doctors, politicians, and engineers come forth. All the people them who build the infrastructure, the people them who work out, the people them who build the syringe for the doctor use, are the engineers we are going to talk about. As a matter of fact, everybody are engineer from your skilled worker. The people them will build the X-ray machine. The people them will build your house where you live in at. The people them where you call when your AC now work. The people them who plant the dasheen and the yam and the banana. The people them will till the soil. The people have to plow the ground. How you not recognize and appreciate skilled workers, or in Jamaica we call it tradesmen. What is wrong with this society? Right now you have some people, especially in the affluent part of society, under this caste system you want to have. If certain girl go home right now and say to her father or her mother, say, her boyfriend, I learn plumbing or I learn carpenter, then go to put her out of the house. Why is this society so mean to skilled workers? Me not beg you no still fi accept me, you know. As a tradesman, me not beg the society because one thing me talk every day, every single day of my life, me maintain say, as long as I am a mechanic, no matter what you do, you can't have nothing over me because me wouldn't travel all the while on this road. I traverse this road all the while and say no car broke down. And even people who say we have roadside assistant, with the same roadside assistant are people who work for the insurance company are still skilled workers same way because a mechanic, some of them and them are record driver. Right? And even with on a roadside assistance, on still, me see in a position, me see in a situation already where on a roadside assistant we on pay for cannot reach at diverse hours a night. And a man like me have to help out. Same way. Enough time I know on a brand new car, brand new one go take out, one go buy from dealer because you know have nothing to do with the ordinary little man who try, or not even who try, a man who knows his trade, but him decides him now work in a corporate entity like the dealer them. Him not in the capitalism part of it. So on the caste system, technically him not really exist because him now work for one firm. Uno can run to police and soldier for fix on a car. Uno go on like police and soldier are the only man. Uno go on like firefighter are the only man, or the man named jacket and tie are the only man them. Are them are the only man? As me tell you all the while, say, as a tradesman, nobody in the society can have nothing over me because me fix what is so important, what is so essential to you, which is no car, me fix it. On AC where when you go in on office and it a leak or it now blow coal or the AC now no car, on freak out and have it, and that's why you see with tradesman on the road, have a thief on so much, especially when we see on the wear jacket and tie or on the wear them. They on a nice dress them, and on a cement pound of face, and all kind of something. We just tell you one bag of thing and make you have to pay all extra because you don't appreciate us. You don't appreciate skilled workers. You don't appreciate tradesmen. You don't go come, no for you go come to we when time you can't go on a big dealer, you can't afford it. Things start dwindle down and certain recession start take on find one little mechanic on the road or one AC man, maybe somebody recommend to him and I wanna say, all right, make we give him a chance. I wanna make it look when you not can work come give you full of attitude and go on like say, I wanna do we a favor, wanna not do we no favor. I just show some of them tradesmen are going hungry, they not like me know where we run on where we do no dirty work. Because you no good, you not appreciate we. You can run to firefighter when you no pipe bust. Yes, then deal with water, but you can run to them for fix on AC. The man in him jacket and tie will put up about happy International Men's Day and men this and men that. You can run to them and the man you use for depict how a man should look. Why you don't put up a man with in trowel or in hammer or the same break front why you have a king size bed, the man them won't make it. Why you can't put them up? Why you can't embrace them man? As me say, you no need to embrace me, because me I want rate me wish you broke down a road and when me come out and me go on my price and you no want to pay me price, me gone left you. Go and go call on dirty police and dirty soldier them and dirty firefighter and dirty water water them and the uniform people them. I them I want a CEO, I want a bank manager, I want this, I want that. Go and call them when time on a broke down or when time on a pipe bus or when time on AC tap work or when on a grill for make for prevent thief from coming out on the house, burglar from coming out on the house. I them on figure call. I don't know what is it with this society. It coming like say from go to university and from wear jacket and tie or go join the military or you go join the police force or you go join one of them places where every day have to come out and demonstrate. Say the government now pay them and them under control from capitalists, from the firm them, what the capitalist firm them we Karl Marx start about. We are not nobody. And the tradesman them don't need to stand up on a foot and tell them people when time they call lick them with price because tomorrow when they gone, when them have their money they not see you. A different place them gone. You have to do better, man. You have to appreciate skilled workers. Me on a ball every day, so you short pan skilled worker. You must short pan skilled worker when time you not appreciate the people them. You next set of dirty people again. When time yam, when you want yam, or the farmer, when you look upon as a dirty man. And the artist thing, no found especially in Jamaica, yeah, and then seeing yam and banana, they send you go university, The dirty yam and the dirty banana and the dirty planting and the breadfruit and the this and the that. Send on go school. They come now, come look pan skill worker the people them were more important to the society than anything else. At them when them thing are send on go to school and come back round now, come give you a hard time. Me I go have just know some more still. Remember me tell you now. Yeah man.